Hello everyone, I am Fahim Ansari, Assistant Professor at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we will discuss about the prescription. What is prescription and what is the requirement of prescription, how prescription is interpreted and what are the parts of various type of prescriptions. The word prescription is derived from the Latin term prescripts, which means the up to two Latin words pre and fix, means before to write. Prescription is an order written by a physician, dentist, or a registered medical practitioner to the pharmacist to compound and dispense a specific medication for an individual patient. Prescription is accompanied by direction for the pharmacist and direction for the patient also. There are two types of prescriptions generally on the basis of pre-compounding prescription and extemporaneous prescription. The prescriptions which are already prepared drugs, the pharmaceutical companies manufactured, we only take the brand name. So that is the pre-compounding prescription or the modern methods of prescription. But second is the extemporaneous prescription. It is the traditional way of prescription. The pharmacist prepare the medication according to the drugs and doses directed by the physician. Nowadays this is not in generally the practice. The various parts of the prescriptions, the following details should be mentioned in the prescription: the date, superscription, name, age and sex of the patient, address of the patient, and the subscription, inscription, signature and prescriber's information, in which prescriber signature, address and registration number must on prescription. There are the various parts of the prescription according to the space on the prescription papers. First is heading, which contains the date, personal data of the patient, and the body contains the superscription, inscription and subscription. These are the main part. And six is the closing of the prescription. It is the signature of patient and signature of the physician. Date written on the prescription by prescriber. Date is written by the prescriber, and to know the medicine when last dispensed, and to prevent the misuse of the drug of the patient, the prescription which prescribes narcotic and other habit forming drug. Date is a very important factor in that type of prescription. Name, age and sex of the patient is for the identification purpose. It help the children's or age and sex of the pharmacist to check the prescriber dose of medication. In case if any other information is missing the prescription, the same may be included by the pharmacist after proper inquiry from the patient. Next is the superscription. It is represented by a symbol RX, which means you take. As in diagram you can see, RX is a signature, and after that the medicine's value or compound, the pharmaceutical compound you will take, it is written. In older days the symbol was considered to be originated from the sign of Jupiter, god of healing. The symbol was employed by the ancient in requesting God for quick recovery of the patient. Next is the inscription. Inscription is written after the RX written, the tablet name or brand name or the compound name you have to take is written in the line. As in example you can see the Brufen tablet 400 mg. This is the name of mainly drugs is the pharmacy. Nowadays the majority of drugs are prescribed which are already in a suitable formulation. The pharmacist is required to dispense the ready-made form of drugs, so compounding of prescription is almost eliminated nowadays. Next is the superscription. This is the direction to the pharmacist. It includes the number of doses to be prepared and number of doses to be dispensed. Means in case it is written as BD, then it means that you have to take 2 times a day. If 3 days dose, then 6 doses should be. Next is the signature. It is usually written as signature on the prescription. It consists the direction to be given to the patient regarding the administration of drug. Usually the quantity of medicament or number of doses you need to be taken, how many time in a day, or at what time it should be taken, the time of day. Means in case it is before meal or after meal, then the instructions must be written on the label of the container. Next is any renewal instruction. After a few days or 4 days to 5 days, the medicine to be repeated. This is the renewal instruction. It is very important in the prescription containing narcotic drugs and habit forming drugs. Next is the signature, address and registration number of the prescriber or doctor or physician. The information about physician is essential so that the doctor could be contacted in emergency. Prescription must be signed with the prescriber's own hand. Address and registration number should be written in case of narcotic or other habit forming drugs to prevent its misuse. This is a typical general example of the prescription. First part contains the address of the hospital or clinic, and second part contains the name, sex, address and date of the date. Next contains superscription RX, then contains subscription medicine and inscription in the form of dose form. Next is any special instruction if any, and signature, and then the signature and registration number of the prescriber. Thank you.